Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 5th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, take a look at my new trading course available to all Gold Patreon members. The link for more information about that can be found up here in the corner. So on the US dollar Canadian, I still believe this is the end of a trend. I think this first move down is an A. I still think this is like an A, B, C, or B. And I still believe that this is going to keep on trending down now to make a wave C. Most likely all the way down to the 100% Fibonacci extension of wave A, projected out the top of what I think is wave B. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, it does look like a nice impulsive move down, like a 1. It looks like it already made an ABC up for the 2, and I think that we're already in a wave 3 and that this is just going to keep on going down to make that pattern, like I was showing on the monthly time frame, most likely in a wave 3 of wave C. So let's keep going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we definitely had a strong move to the upside, but as you can see, we had almost a perfect downtrend. Then we do have like a three-way pattern up right here to the 61.8. I think there's a good chance this is just going to keep on going down and making those lower lows, lower highs, probably like a 1, 2 in wave 3 of wave 3. Like this whole thing is a 1, 2, 3 of 3. So let's keep going down to the 4 hour time frame. Now, on the 4 hour time frame, we do have news coming out today. We have NFP news for the US dollar. And I do see the possibility of this possibly being an A, and this possibly being a B, and this being a C, and then it goes up and makes a bigger move up for the actual wave C, like an A, B, C, or B, and then up for the C. But looking at the pattern, looking at the US dollar index, I am starting to think that this is more likely that it ended a wave C, and that whatever's happening now is just setting itself up for the news later, and it's just going to end up continuing the downtrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour, let's take a closer look at this. So on the 1 hour time frame, we are going up right now, but like I said, I think it's just setting itself up for the news. Even if the news does cause this to go up, I think it's just going to be a crutch into this move down, and maybe next week at CPI news for the dollar, that's when it will actually end up continuing the downtrend. But I still do see a very good likelihood that if this looks something like this and the news is about to come out, I would say the likelihood is very high that the news today is going to cause this to end up continuing the downtrend, and that this back here really is the end of an ABC correction and not a wave B like what I was showing on the 4 hour time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.